Hello, and welcome to the medium fidelity prototype demonstration of the three proposed designs for improving Netflix's recommendation features. This prototype was designed through Figma and will be focused on the mobile interface of the app. Upon logging in and navigating to the home screen, you can see that the first two generated categories are very similar, aside from the last one. Currently, Netflix's recommendation features are AI generated and are based off the viewing trends, but is often super oversaturated with shows and movies that the user may not even watch. So the goal of this new design is to create a better recommendation list by connecting other users' viewing trends throughout the app. Now, to do this with this new design, the user will navigate to the bottom and click the icon next to the Create Recommended list. And from there, they are introduced to different users with two different categories indicated by the parentheses. The users are ones that share the same Netflix account. So, for example, if you're sharing the same one with mom, dad, brother, sister, you'd be able to add them from there, invite them as collaborators on this new generated recommended list. And then, if you have a friend or a neighbor that you have added as a friend on here, you'll be able to add that from here, and you can see it indicated by the parentheses from friend. And then from there, what you add the two different ones you want to add to that recommended list. An AI generated category will be shown, showing a recommended list that combines the metadata between the two or even three. The rationale for this design is that um, users tend to spend more time surfing for something to watch rather than actually watching something due to the oversaturation of the AI generated features. But allowing another input to help narrow down what that user and another user likes would allow a better viewing experience, making the recommended features a little more efficient. And I felt like it would be appropriate to have it on the home screen and essentially just be at the top before the other generated categories that seem to be endless would be generated. So the next feature would be the manage share options. Um, to navigate there, you would click to the My Netflix tab, click the three lines at the top, and navigate to the where the original settings would usually be. On the original interface, it just shows the manage profiles, the app settings, account, help, and sign out, while adding the manage share options felt appropriate here. And then once I go to there, the changing the different settings is indicated by the toggle switches. The user can receive recommendations from friends throughout the app. They can decide whether they want to share recommendations to friends in the first place. And then if they enable the share metadata with others using different Netflix accounts, that friend category be generated, and they can add them as collaborators. And with the top one, share metadata with others using the same Netflix account, um, they can add other people like mom and dad as indicated before. Now, the rationale for this, it provides a sense of privacy for the user. Just because that feature is available, that doesn't mean that they automatically are opted into it. They have the option to customize it how they like. Now, navigating to the regional home screen, the last feature is a quick sync option. So I felt like this would be appropriate integrating with the cast feature that it has at the top, is indicated by the icon. And then from there, you can see the different devices that the user can cast to. Um, the different theaters are indicated by one, the parentheses itself, and then it'll be followed by group theater at the end, while the other cast devices that they have available at home, integrated with IoT, it'd be shown first. And then from there, they're able to have a shared theater similar to watching shows together on Discord, a shared theater where someone can share their screen and watch it from there. This again leads to that same fostering of a sense of connection. And then from there, if they would like to further improve the recommendation feature, they could integrate it with the generated recommended watch list. They could talk about shows that they saw on the list together, and then once they get in a comfortable place where they can watch the show in sync, one user can navigate through here, click the cast option, and then they can watch the show in sync from there. And thank you for watching.